Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a lot of pictures or videos at once in CapCut PC. It is actually super simple. So for instance, you want to add a lot of pictures to your timeline and you don't want to spend your time just adding it one by one. Okay, so you're just going to select a lot by dragging your mouse like so. This does have to be in order though, so if your photos aren't in order, make sure you name it first, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so they're going to be in the order you want them to be. Then just select the things you want to add and just drag it. So I just dragged my mouse and selected one of the media and dragged everything to the timeline, and as you can see, it added everything that I selected. You can also drag this all the way down if you wanted to and then added it on to the timeline. But that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this to be helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!